The Bartesian makes a great cocktail right out of the box. Insert a pod, pick your strength, press mix, and it delivers every time. But a handful of small adjustments take those drinks from good to genuinely impressive, and none of them are complicated. Start with the one that matters most. Use a shaker, every single time. Here's what a lot of owners don't realize. The machine doesn't chill your drink. It dispenses at room temperature. It's the ice in your shaker that does the chilling. So fill a shaker with ice, let the machine pour straight into it, shake for about 10 seconds, then strain into a fresh glass. Margaritas, whiskey sours, and lemon drops all come alive with a proper shake. Next, match your strength setting to the pod. Bartesian machine. The 4 settings aren't just about how much alcohol you get. They change the whole flavor balance. Sweeter pods like the mango margarita and the lemon drop do best on strong, because the extra spirit cuts through the sweetness. Spirit-forward classics like the old-fashioned are already balanced, so regular is perfect, and light is lovely for daytime sipping. Your spirit matters more than you might think. The pod handles the flavor, but your spirit is still 30 to 40% of the drink. A harsh or low-quality bottle will come through, especially in something light like a lemon drop, where the spirit is more exposed. You don't need top shelf. A solid mid-range bottle in each category is all it takes. A few small touches make every drink look intentional. Always strain over fresh ice, never the watered-down ice from your shaker. Follow the glassware the screen recommends, because the right glass really does change how a drink feels. And add a simple garnish, a lime wedge, a salted rim, an orange peel. 30 seconds, and the whole thing looks like a proper cocktail. Then there are 3 habits that came straight from our community. Bartesian cocktail. First, shake the pod before you insert it. The concentrate settles during storage, and a quick shake evens it back out. Second, keep your pods in the refrigerator. The cool temperature keeps the concentrate fresh, and Bartesian confirms it can extend a pod's life by up to 2 months beyond the package date. And third, fill your water reservoir with distilled water instead of tap. It prevents mineral buildup and keeps your machine running clean for the long haul. None of these take more than a minute, and together they make a real difference in the glass. And once your drinks are dialed in, give your next gathering a menu to match. That's where our free menu maker comes in. Head to thecocktailace.com, pick your pods, name your bar, and download a beautiful printed menu in minutes. All 11 tips are right there too. Thecocktailace.com. No login, no paywall.